Hey guys, hello again. Welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be more of a day in the life. There is some cleaning, so don't you worry. I wanted to attempt doing one of these type of videos because I really enjoy watching day in the life type of videos, and I thought I'd give it a shot. And I wanted to share with you guys our couch that finally came, and there was a hiccup, so I'm also going to get into that with you guys. But anyways, let's hop in. Okay, so right now before we head out and do things, we had our couch coming. Now we got the Ashley Savesto 5-piece sectional, and this is not our first one. I'm gonna say this because we had a huge problem with Ashley's, which I know you guys, you read the reviews and you hope it's not going to happen to you, but it did. It happened to us. So what happened, when we got our first one, it had arrived damaged and it just was so dirty, stain marks everywhere. So we had called customer service and they just put in an order for a new one. Now the rep that was working on it actually ended up sending 2 replacement couches. So on this day, the delivery people were delivering 10 pieces in total, so 2 couches on top of the one that we already had. Now this was a huge headache. Me and my husband wanted to make sure that we could go through all of the pieces to pick out which ones were the best shape, so we wouldn't have to go through this whole thing again. Now it was really hard because the delivery people did not want to stay. Like, they wanted to go because obviously they were just meant to drop off. So here is the very first couch we got. We have it still currently in the garage, and yeah, so I will get into that more, but after all of that, we decided to go and tackle our task for the day. But first, we wanted to get something to eat. My husband wanted to try this Philly cheesesteak place, but it was a fail because it was closed. So the place we ended up eating at was called Cheeseburger Bobby's. It's a pretty decent place. It's a good burger spot. We don't really eat out that much, but when we do, we kind of have like our go-to spots, and this is one of them. I actually haven't had a cheeseburger in quite a long time, so we kind of really indulged in this cheat meal. Now, I'm also going to mention this because I am terrible, you guys. I have serious shyness when it comes to filming in public. I'm still a virgin, like I'm not used to filming in public yet, but I totally forgot to whip out my camera and show you guys. We went to Costco, we went to Best Buy, went to Sprouts and did some of that stuff, and then now we're kind of later into the night. But here's the couch. I also forgot to show you me remove the cushion covers because they come off, but I threw the cushion covers into the wash. I don't know what's going to happen with that. My husband is going to contact them and see if they're going to pick it up, or we're going to keep it. Like, what's happening? Because, you know, we've contacted them already before about this problem, and they pretty much were clueless and said they couldn't really do anything. But yeah, I don't know. It's definitely a huge hiccup. So now that I changed into my comfy clothes, I went ahead and started cleaning because that is an everyday thing. I'm always cleaning. It's just a daily task that you have to get done. So the kitchen wasn't that dirty, so I'm just giving my counters a wipe down, and I swear, you guys, I cannot wait until I can do a lighter backsplash because I just feel like it's so dark in there. As for the couch, you guys, it is so comfy. It is very affordable. I think it was $1,700, and that was free shipping and stuff because we ordered off the exchange because my husband is a veteran, so he still has access to the exchange and like website and stuff like that. So we got it free shipping, no tax, and yeah, it's really comfy. The only problem was the delivery and how it arrived and stuff, but other than that, the couch itself is so worth it, especially if you're looking for like a cheaper alternative to the cloud, like Restoration Hardware cloud couch, you know, the infamous cloud couch that everyone talks about and wants because it's so beautiful. But it's a really good alternative because obviously it's way more affordable. After I do some cleaning, I just take a break because I have to have like intervals of like breaks and stuff because of my neck, especially when I'm doing like sweeping and mopping and scrubbing and things like that. So I was just watching some Grey's Anatomy, like, you know, old episodes. Can't go wrong. They're the best in my opinion. Now, I wanted to make some tea because I made a New Year's resolution, you guys. I don't usually do this because I never stick to them, but this year is the year I am sticking to it, and I'm gonna go on this whole spiel because this year I decided that I'm tired of being overweight. I want to feel good about myself, and I'm also trying to get my body ready before pregnancy. And yeah, that's pretty exciting and scary at the same time. But me and my husband have been together for like 12 years, so we have been talking about starting a family probably towards the end of this year, beginning of next year. So I really, one of the things that was really important to me was that I get my body ready and in shape before that, because right now I'm just not wanting to get pregnant at this state. I'm not trying to offend anyone else, but for me personally, I know I'd be happier and just overall it'd be healthier if I get more to a healthier like weight. But yeah, that is why I'm doing a New Year's resolution, because I need to lose weight. I need to get healthy and feel good about myself, because future babies. Why I'm drinking tea? I don't usually drink tea, but because of my diet, lifestyle change, I'd rather say, I kind of cut out like all of the carbonated drinks, and I will have one on occasion, but I usually just stick to tea, water, and coffee. So this was really like I was craving something carbonated, and this was pretty satisfying. And of course I had it with a snack of fruit because I was a little bit hungry. I have been keeping track of my calories on my FitnessPal app, which I have on my phone, and I found that to be very helpful for me when I'm trying to stay on track with what I'm consuming. After the snack, I decided to just rest again because I didn't want to overdo it with cleaning and stuff, and I was getting pretty tired. It was a little bit late into the night, so I was trying to take it easy because I think I was going to the gym the next morning, and I'm so out of shape, and with my neck not being used to a lot of movement and stuff, it's just I need to take it easy. Otherwise I'm gonna be out. Like last week I was out for 3 days because I pushed myself. If you guys are wondering where my husband is at, I totally forgot to tell you guys that these are different clips. This was on another night, so the clips you've seen out and about, that was probably the day before. This is another night where my husband is actually at work, so it's just me and the doggy. So I thought I'd clear that up, but he doesn't like to be on camera anyways, so I'm still trying, you guys. I'm trying. So before I head up to bed, I will fluff up the couch. Now, because this is like the cloud style, the inside of the cushion is a feather wrapped core, so it can get all slumpy and flat, so you do need to fluff it up. Honestly, I prefer the look of it to be all slumpy and flat. I don't know, I feel like it looks better. But one thing I always make sure to do is have the downstairs nice and clean. So when I wake up the next morning, I wake up to a clean home. I cannot stand waking up to a dirty kitchen, messy living room. I just like everything to be nice and clean, and it just puts me in a better headspace and mood right when I wake up. I also wanted to let you guys know that if you see any pieces in here that you are interested in, I will be linking everything that I can in my description box below. So make sure you check that out, because I do list things and link as much as possible that I can find, because a lot of the things, pretty much a majority of things in my home is affordable and budget friendly. So make sure you check out the description box, because I do list things down there. If you see something you like and are curious about, just make sure you check the description, because it'll be there. So after I get the downstairs sorted, I head upstairs, and on this night I was so behind on laundry. I let it go for I think a week. Just washing I was on top of, but when it came to folding it, I was backed up about like 4 or 5 loads. So I decided that I was going to finally tackle it tonight. I don't know why I do this. I always do this, and my side is always a disaster. Tonight was get this stuff done, put away. My husband was always going to look for his underwear and things, so I was like, I need to get on top of this. So after I am done with all of that stuff, I like to take nighttime showers. I will take my showers at night unless I'm doing something sweaty or like anything that's going to get me dirty during the day. I'm a nighttime shower person. Lately, I've jumped on taking care of my skin, so I got these few products. I have super dry and sensitive skin, and I haven't been taking care of it properly, so I've been using these for the past week, and they have been so amazing. Like, I've noticed a big difference in my skin. And I also have eczema, so I like to apply this before I go to sleep, and then I will also apply some lip conditioning serum because my lips are pretty dry too. I'm just all dry and flaky and crusty over here, you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this random as shit day in my life. Oh, it's my first time. I'll probably try it again, but yeah, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button if you guys did enjoy this video, and if you like more like this, because I quite enjoy watching them, and this was pretty interesting putting together. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to leave your thoughts down below, and hit the subscribe, help support my channel, and join the fam, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Much love. Bye.